Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakia Binti Zulkifli. My number metric I181027992. Today I want to present Management Information System in Chapter 6, Foundation of Business Intelligence, Database and Information Management. Today I will present about 6.3. What are the principal tools and technologies for accessing information from database to improve business performance and decision making? First, we have the challenge of big data. Second, business intelligence infrastructure. Third, we have analytical tools, relationship, patterns and trends. And first, we have database and the web. First, the challenge of big data. Most data collection by organization used to be transaction data that could easily fit into rows and columns of relational database management systems. Second, big data describe these datasets with volumes so huge that they are beyond the ability of typical DBMS to capture, store, and analyze. Third, big data doesn't refer to any specific quantities, but usually refers to data in petabyte and exabyte range. The range, in other words, billions to trillions of records, all from different sources. Okay, as example, a single jet engine is capable of generating 10 terabytes of data in just 30 minutes, and there are more than 25,000 airline flights every day. Okay, the second example, Twitter. Even though the tweets are limited to 140 characters each, Twitter generates more than 8 terabytes of data daily. Big data are produced in much larger quantities and much more rapidly than traditional data. Next, business intelligence infrastructure. First, we have analytical platform in-memory computing, Hadoop, Datamart, and data warehouse. Data warehouse, a database that stores current and historical data of potential interest to decision makers throughout the company. Second, we have Datamart. Datamart are the subset of a data warehouse in which a summarized or highly focused portion of the organization's data is placed in a separate database for a specific population of users. Third, Hadoop, for handling unstructured and semi-structured data in vast quantities, as well as structured data. Organizations are using Hadoop. Okay, Hadoop is an open source software framework managed by the Apache Software Foundation that enable distributed parallel processing of huge amount of data across the inexpensive computer. As example, Hadoop used to find the best airfare on the internet, or get direction to a restaurant, do research on Google, or connect with friends on Facebook. And then we have in-memory computing. This is used in big data analysis and helps to shortening query response time. And lastly, we have analytical platform. Specialized high-speed analytical platform using both relation and non-relational technology that are optimized for analyzing large datasets. And then, analytical tools, relationship, pattern, and trends. First, we have online analytical processing, or OLAP. OLAP supports multidimensional data analysis, enabling users to tap the same data in different ways using multiple dimensions. Each aspect of information, product, pricing, cost, region, or time period represents a different dimension. Second, we have data mining. Data mining is more discovery driven. The type of information obtained from data mining include association, sequences, classification, clusters, and forecasts. And third, we have the text mining. Text mining tools are now available to help business analyze this data. These tools are enabled to extract key elements from unstructured big data sets, discover patterns and relationships, and summarize the information. And lastly, web mining. the discovery and analysis of useful pattern and information from the World Wide Web. Okay, the type of information obtained from data mining. First, we have association. It helps manager to make better decisions. Second, we have sequences. Sequences help to link over the time. And third, we have classification. This help to discover the characteristic of customers. And then we have clusters. Clusters look similar with classification when they have group that not yet been defined. And lastly, we have forecasting to determine how to allocate their plan for anticipated expenses for an upcoming period of time. Then we have database and the web. This feature shows the linking the internal database to the web. Users access the organization internal database route through the web using their desktop, PC, browsers, or the mobile apps. Next, the advantage using web. First, the web browser software is much easier to use than proprietary query tools. Second, the web interface requires few or no change to the internet database. Third, creating new efficiencies, opportunities, and business models. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.